The campaign train for the gubernatorial candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for the 2024 governorship election for Edo State, Dr. Asue Ighodalo, on Monday 9 September 2024 land for Egor and Ikpoba-Okha local government areas for the state, where they received warm welcome by plenty supporters and party members. The team, where they led by the state governor Governor Obaseki, the people of the local government say make them come out plenty on September 21 to vote for the party and its candidate, and say make them not worry, say their votes go count. Presented the party's candidate Dr. Asue Ighodalo and in deputy Ogie Esquire to the people for Olua Primary School for Egor local government and later for Western Boys High School for Ikpoba-Okha local government, Obaseki talk say plenty things still dey wey they never do. That's now why the party they bring the best candidate for the election wey get competence, pedigree and experience to move the state forward. He come here and say vote for the party now vote for the progress and prosperity of the state.
The thing why we never do now plenty pass. That's why we need people when sabi, may they take over, may they continue. And the person when I know, when I don't work with the way I know say sabi, the people when I know say sabi, now these two people.
For his own part, Asue Ighodalo talk say if them elect him as governor, in government go focus on technology, culture, tourism, agriculture and sports, among others, to drive economic growth and prosperity for Edo State. While in running mate Ogie the people say the APC don't only bring hardship and suffering come to the people, say APC don't they buy guns to kill Edo people. But if they love the people, they not go do something like that. He come call on the people, say make them talk with one voice, vote for PDP and reject APC where don't bring hardship come Niger.
You know, say when country won't develop or when state won't develop, it go start with agriculture revolution, then manufacturing revolution. To manufacture, the people within the community must accept those who come manufacture.
Let them hear us. They are not going to leave their head at home on that day and come and kill other people's children. They cannot keep their children outside the country and come here to keep other people's children. But the power of the people is supreme.
Edo PDP Chairman Anthony Azegbe may come also add in voice as he and the people say make them give plenty votes to PDP come September 21.
I'm charging the Ikpoba-Okha local government to give the People's Democratic Party 100,000 solid votes.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo South Senatorial District, Ikhodalo, Ogie, TMC TV News.